going on? Welcome to Anodic Addiction. I'm Jason. Well, the van's back on the road. Sorry it's so crappy out today, but we're going to take it for a ride and I'll let you guys know how it drives. And I know everybody's been waiting to see if the modifications actually helped out or not, so we'll get in it and take it for a ride. Also working on a train horde kit. So ordered the bracket from Horn Blasters, spare tire delete. I don't have the spare tire on it anyways. And I also gotta go by Tractor Supply or Home Depot and get a piece of metal. I'm gonna better mount my spare tire on that Wilco receiver. So got my horns over there, got them all painted this weekend. So all right guys, let's take it for a ride. Alright guys, so first off, I had a really bad manifold leak, exhaust manifold leak. So with these headers on there, it's a lot quieter inside. You can barely hear it running. I got the AC on, so even though it's rainy out, it's pretty hot today. So we'll get this thing out on the road and I'll show you guys how it drives. Alright guys, so we're on the road. It's tracking really straight. Biggest thing I can say is definitely make sure you got a good alignment guy. We messed with the alignment for a little while to get it in. I only had like 2 degrees of caster, which then it wanted to wander all over the road. We got it up to like 3.8 on one side and 3.3 on the driver's side. So it shouldn't really affect me too much as far as a pull or anything. Like I said, right now I'm not even holding the steering wheel. It's going pretty straight. Doing about 30 miles an hour. I had to mess with the toe a lot too. These vans, you know, you got some play in the steering, but gearbox. My gearbox is only like 3 years old, but I still had to, you know, I'd make an adjustment, drive it. As soon as I would center of the steering wheel, it would start pulling left. Not pulling, but going left. So I had to adjust the toe a little bit, on and off. People were worried about that bielstien stabilizer. A lot of reviews online. I took it off and drove it without it, and then put it on, and I could feel a little bit when it pushes a little bit to the left. So if you want to go to like the Vantage Optics one instead, I know the bielstien one's a little beefier, but I mean it doesn't bother me. When I put it on, I made sure I turned the steering wheel to the left, so that way the stabilizer was fully extended. But as you can see right now, I mean, I'm doing about 40 miles an hour down this side road, and I'm barely even having to move the steering wheel to keep the vehicle going straight, which before I had to move it back and forth quite a bit. So definitely drives a lot better. I would definitely replace, if you're doing one of these, replace that steering linkage. Like I said, I got mine from Rock Auto. It was only about 220 bucks shipped to my door. So definitely worth it. My tie rod end links, I could move it back and forth. I didn't really have a lot of play in it, but I could still move it around. This one bolted in, dude, it's rock solid. You can make adjustments and it won't twist, it won't do anything. So would definitely do that. So you guys, I hope this helps you out. Comment below. Sorry, I'm trying to video and drive. Comment below. Appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody's support. Follow me on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up button. We'll see you guys on the next video. And I really appreciate everybody watching. Hope this helps you guys out on these old vans. So have a great day.